Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your payment method on Xoom in 2025. Xoom has updated its interface to be even more user-friendly, so whether you're switching credit cards, adding a new payment option, or just double-checking your details, this step-by-step guide will get you through it quickly and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Xoom account on a web browser. It's the most straightforward way to handle billing changes. Once you're in, head over to the Account Management section, which you can find by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Billing to access your subscription details. Now, in the Billing page, look for the Payment Methods tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your current payment options. To change one, simply click the Edit button next to the method you want to update. If you're adding a new one, hit the Add Payment Method button and enter the details for your new card, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. Xoom might ask you to verify the new payment method, so keep an eye out for any prompts or emails. Once everything looks good, save your changes by clicking the Update or Save button at the bottom. And just like that, you're all set. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, Xoom's Help Center is a great resource, or you can contact their support team. Changing your payment method is a smart way to keep your account secure and up to date, especially with all the new features rolling out in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.